Hi guys, I am John Hawkins with Heartland RV. I am the regional sales manager for our North Trail product. This is the brand new 2018 North Trail 25 LRSS. It is our rear living model. This is the first one off the line for this brand, and we're really excited to show it to you today. Okay, stepping into the rear door, this is a two-door floor plan. So you have a bedroom door entrance as well as a rear entrance. Again, this is the 25 LRSS. This is one of our newest floor plans. As you walk in, you do have a bank of switches here. So your slide out switch, power awning switch, lights, exterior awning, and step light switch are all conveniently located right here in your entrance door. The interior color here, this is all new interior colors for this year. What we did is we went a little bit darker on the cabinets and fascia and then lightened everything else up. So we've got a new lighter lino. It's actually a bow floor. It's cold crack resistant. It's got more of a contemporary kind of grayish color to it, lighter look and feel. Lighter wall panels, lighter ceiling panels. Everything's been kind of lightened up, so it gives us a nice lighter, brighter feel in the North Trail for this year. So with the rear living, we do have our reclining theater seats here. They do lean back. 40-inch TV. So here is our new 40-inch TV for this model. It is on a pull-out swivel, so you have excellent viewing angles from both the theater seats and our booth dinette over here. All hardwood cabinet doors on this new console for the TV. Furrion stereo system. All of our drawers have stainless steel ball bearing drawer guides in there. This is the new doggy dish for this floor plan. You can put your dog's food and water in there, and then it tucks it away when it's not in use. So it gives you a nice storage place for that. I keep talking about this as the caliber package. Let me go over all the features that come with this caliber package. One of them is this central vacuum system. You get the solid surface countertops, stainless steel sink. On the exterior was the power tongue jacks, the power stab jacks, that rear bike rack. And then you also get all hidden hinges. So all of your cabinet doors don't have any of the hinges on the outside, everything's on the inside. And then a porcelain toilet as well. New solid surface countertop color for this year. It is a lighter color, or countertop color. Single basin stainless steel sink. New upgraded full stainless steel faucet here, pull-out faucet. This is the new Furrion stove that we have. All LED backlit in there, glass front on that. Gives you a nice modern look, nice residential look to that. Plus it's got the glass surface covers on there that flip up. And then we do have a new backsplash as well. So you get the backsplash behind the range as well as behind your sink here. Some of the construction features on the interior of the coach that I want to point out are our fully vacuum bonded floor, vacuum bonded 4-inch roof. Everything has block foam insulation inside and out. So our 2-inch laminated sidewalls have block foam insulation. Floor, block foam insulation. The roof has 4 inches of block foam insulation in here. It is a very well insulated coach. It's going to keep you cool in the summer. It's going to keep you warm in the colder months. One thing with our construction and our floor, we're not running any duct work in here. So you won't see any of your vents, your 4x10 vents that are popped up through the floor. With that, you can get, anything you drop is inevitably going to fall down into that vent. You're going to get debris and dirt down in there. You'll have to take it off, clean it out. We're not doing any of that. So you've got a nice solid floor. We pop up our vents through the cabinets somewhere within the coach and run our heat that way through there. So what that gives you with your floors, it gives you one solid construction. There's no soft spots in the floor. So around those vents, if you step on those, you'll be able to feel that the floor's kind of soft. Another thing with this is it is a one-piece marine grade OSB from front to back of this coach. We do that up to 30 feet long. If the coach is longer than 30 feet, there will be one seam. It's normally going to be in the bedroom somewhere, kind of a low traffic area. But with that, with it being one piece, in the future there's no 4x8 sheets that are seamed together. Kind of when you use these coaches for a little bit, those seams can tend to pop up a little bit. You can get noise out of them. You can see the seams under the lino. You're not going to get that with the North Trail because it is a one solid piece floor. Our vacuum bonded roof, that's a solid roof. You're not going to be able to step into many coaches and do that with. So you've got your laminated sidewalls, your 2-inch laminated sidewalls, not 1.5 inch. Your laminated floors, your laminated roof. Everything in this coach is built solid. We do have plenty of storage above. You've got overhead storage there. You've got overhead storage above the theater seats in the back. You do have storage underneath the booth. Cushions come out real easily. That'll flip up. And then you get access to your storage underneath there. So both sides do that. And then this also folds down into extra sleeping area. All of our windows on the North Trail, glass, nice and sturdy, and everything is max vent. So you get half this window that opens up. Vented windows in the rear, vented window there. You can get a nice cross breeze going through this coach. So if it is on a cooler day and you're not running your AC, you're going to stay nice and cool in here. Open up the screen or open up the door, let the screen door open, let all your airflow through here. It's going to really keep you cool in the cooler spring and fall months. So our roof is it's curved on both the inside and outside. So curved on the inside for obvious reasons with headroom in here. Curved on the outside for debris and water runoff. So that's going to be less maintenance for you to have to get up there. While it is fully walkable and you can get up there on the roof, we generally we try to keep you off there as much as possible. So with the water runoff and debris runoff, because it is curved, it's really going to help you out in that situation. With the roof as well, it is dual ducted for your ACs. Standard AC on the North Trail is a 13.5. You can upgrade that to a 15,000 BTU AC. And with the dual ducts in here, you're going to get that circular air motion. It's really going to cool this coach down a lot more than what it would with the single duct. There's also LED lights throughout the entire coach. So your ceiling's got LED lights, everything above the cabinets or below the cabinets here, above the sink, all LED lights behind the bed. So really energy efficient with the lighting, with the LED lights, and then as well as with the insulation factor that we have in here with all the block foam insulation. It's a very energy efficient coach. I love the bathroom in this coach. New wide doors. It is a pass-through bathroom from the main living area into the bedroom. You've got pocket doors on each side. Nice sliding doors, wide doors here. New large stand-up shower in here with our new sliding shower door. Makes it real nice. Slides that up for easy storage. Nothing's going to get damaged there when you're traveling, anything like that. Excellent size storage in the linen closet, I guess, in the bathroom here. Plenty of storage, towels, rags, whatever you need to put in there. We've got a large countertop surface here, sink, vanity with storage behind it. We also have storage below the sink as well. In the bedroom, we've got a walk-around queen-size bed here. You've got space on both sides of the bed, large enough to get through. Wardrobes on each side, and then plenty of overhead storage here as well. LED lights behind the bed, and then you do have your entrance door into the bedroom. Once again, guys, my name is John Hawkins, and this has been the all-new 2018 North Trail 25 LRSS. Thank you for watching. Follow us on our social media channels, or you can find us at heartlandrbs.com.